Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how I do this low slick bun with the side parting and edges on one side of my hair. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and watch all of my other videos too. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my comb and make a side parting. You need to get a spray bottle full of water and spray the top of your hair. Now I'm going to take my hairbrush and brush my hair down. If I need to, I'm going to spray my hair with a bit more water just to make all the knots from my hair go away. And all the knots are gone. So now I'm going to take this comb and use it to flatten the hair down. Now that all the bumps are gone, you can get your Eco Styler gel or whatever gel you use to put onto your hair. Get some on your hands too and just put that all over your hair. So now I just need to tie my hair back really tight. I'm going to use 2 hairbands. For this I'm going to pull down a little bit of my hair here. And that will be like little curls on the side. Because my hair is short, there's this part of my hair which is not slicking down. So I'm going to take my hair gel then get bobby pins like these and bobby pin that side of your hair which won't stay down by itself. And for this side I'm going to do my edges. So I need to get my toothbrush, pull out the front, To finish off this hair, I need to change this ponytail into a bun. So I'm going to take a little hairband, push my hair up and tie twice. Then if you need to bobby pin it,